So today I'm going to tell you that how geography is related to every subject, to each subject. We can relate geography to each subject. It's not that geography we can relate only one subject. No, we can relate every subject. How? How we can relate the geography? First, we are taking geography and history. First, we take geography and history. How we relate geography and history. If we take the precipitation, what we are learning? Precipitation about water. So we take a water example. So in earlier time, Ganga River, in the Vedic period, when the Mughal and the Raja Maharajas period was there, so what we heard that the Ganga River is very clean at that time. Why? Before 400 BC, we look 400 BC, before 400, if we see back 400 or 500 back, so we observe that the Ganga River, is very clean. It's not polluted. Why? What was the reason that Ganga River is very clean at the time of Raja Maharajas and the Mughal time? We are telling that they are getting the very pure water. That's why the health is very good. Because of the water is the basic requirement of the human body. So because of water, the human body is get fit. The body is very they are very fit person because that water is using everywhere. They are taking a bath from that water, uh, cleaning the utensil, cleaning the clothes, and making the food also. The food is very important for human body. For preparing a food, we need a water. If the water is polluted, if the water is polluted, then what we are food taking, okay, ultimately we love the food. No, food is very tasty, but inside the water the polluted are mixed. The polluted is mixed. So with that polluted water we prepare a food, so ultimately we are eating the polluted food. The small particle is come in our food and we are taking that food. And what happened after a week, we get a sick, that we get a fever. I'm very sick. I'm feeling very low. I don't know what happened. So we went to the doctor, and doctor tell, okay, because of the water, you need a hygiene. Just clean your water and drink that water. And while preparing the food, just see the water is clean or not. Why? Why? Because now we are seeing that water is polluted because of the acid rain. Because acid rain is a very major issue that water get polluted, and even the white things, the Taj Mahal also get polluted because of the acid rain. Okay, so this is a geography and history we relate that earlier time the water is very pure and we get a fresh water. They are getting the fresh water. Raja Maharajas, they are getting the fresh water, and now we are not getting fresh water. Only 2% or 3% the fresh water on the earth's surface, and that also we are divided. The 3% is divided for the agriculture sector, for the industry sector, for basic requirement for the daily use. Okay, so like that. Even water for precipitation, what we are learning? Precipitation. It's all about the water. It's all about the rain. So Maharashtra Sarkar, what they did, that they launched a scheme. They launched a mission. Mission and scheme is that, okay, within a year we have to preserve that much of water. We have to consume that much of water. So what they did, they launched a mission that we have to preserve the rain water. That rain water we have to preserve because the the farmers are facing the problem. So if we preserve the rainy water, it will help further. It will help further. So we have to preserve the rain water. That mission, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, that mission is launched by the Maharashtra Sarkar. That so many mission is launched. So even Maharashtra Sarkar also launched that they want to consume the rain water. The chapter is all about the rainwater, rain, all about the precipitation is all about snow, fog, rain, acid rain. So nothing. History, and this is about environment also. Economic, how economic affect the precipitation, how precipitation affect the economic, like geography, how the geography affect the economic, how the economic is related to precipitation. Rain, precipitation is all about rain, fog. So if some area the rain is less, the rain is low, the agriculture get affected. So in that area, the price of that item get rise, and the supply we get limited supply. What we are getting? The limited supply. So the economic will affect, the economic get affected. Why? Because farmers doesn't get sufficient water to farmers did not get the sufficient water for the agriculture. So they have less supply of product. If the less supply of that product, then automatically the price will high, economic will get affected. So geography, the precipitation affect the economic. Okay. Science, how geography is related to science. Precipitation, so how precipitation, science is testing all the things. Science is testing the soil, whether the soil is good for the agriculture or not. Like that, science is also testing the rain, rainy water. That rainy water, if we purify that rainy water, it's good for human health or not. They are testing. Science is all about the testing the thing. They are scientifically proving the thing, whether we can use or not. So what they are doing in science, they are taking the rainy water and they are testing and they are purifying the rainy water, and they are giving the conclusion, they are giving the statement whether that rainy water we can use or not. That how we precipitation relate to the. Now remaining is, what remaining is that Hindi and English. Okay. So how Hindi and English precipitation that we are learning in the Robinson family, how the rain get affected. So in English also we are learning the literature thing, and Hindi. In English and Hindi we are seeing the poems on the rainy season. That rainy season has come. The children are enjoying that thing happen. So even precipitation is related to Hindi and English, the literature part also. Okay. Yes. Ninth A, roll number 3. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Read.
Question number 1. Identify the precipitation type with the help of the description given. A. It is the main source of the water that you use. Sometimes it is torrential and sometimes continuous. Most of the agriculture in India is dependent on it. Teacher, the answer is rainfall.
Very good. Everyone should write in the chat box your answer.
Second, it seems as if water droplets are floating in the atmosphere. In London, one cannot see the sun till the afternoon during winter because of this phenomenon. Teacher, the answer is fog.
Very good. So what is phenomena? Phenomena is study of some situation. What the question is telling, water droplets. Water droplets are floating in the atmosphere in London. One cannot see the sunset till the afternoon. So they are giving you the situation. Phenomena is situation, that we are studying a situation. So one cannot see the sun till the afternoon. They have given you the situation after 12 o'clock only you are able to see the sun. Situation is morning to afternoon. That is phenomena. In one phenomena. Yes. Read.
It never precipitates like this in equatorial areas. Precipitation in the solid form sometimes cause damage to the crops. Teacher, the answer is hailstorms.
No. Read it very carefully.
It never precipitates like this in equatorial areas. Precipitation in the solid form sometimes cause damage to the crops.
Yes, I have told you that equatorial region, equator, near the equator, what we are getting? Frost. Near the equator, see the key point. Remember the key point every time. Equator. In equator area, what we are getting? Frost. So the answer is frost. Where you see the equator, just remember near the equator what we are getting? Frost. So the answer will be frost. See student, if you want to remember your answer now, remember the key point. Write it down while preparing for the exam. Just make a key point for every lesson. Okay, not before the exam. Make it as a habit daily while learning, while going through the lesson. Make a key point. Make a key point for every subtopic, for every topic. So, what happened now when you make a key point like equator, near equator, first. Equator means first. So, all of you remember, like, okay, in equator region, first is there. So, I will mark first. So what happened when you learn the key point, when you relate the key point with your answer, you are able to write your answer with the confidence. Even I am doing when I have to remember so many things, I just see, I just remember my key point. I just remember my key point. So it will help you for every subject. It will help you not in a geography. It will help you for the every subject. Yes, read the next one. Ninth A, roll number 6.
Yes, teacher. A white cotton-like layer spreads on the Earth's surface. Because of this form of precipitation, the state of Jammu and Kashmir has to change its capital in winters. In Maharashtra, it does not precipitate like this. Teacher, the answer is snowfall.
Very good. Very good. The answer is snowfall. Very good. See, Jammu Kashmir, all of you, the key point is Jammu Kashmir. In Jammu Kashmir, every time we are hearing the snowfall about due to a snowfall, the road blockage is there. We need to clean. What we have to do, the teams are the armies, the Tatar army, they are cleaning the road. We are calling that cleaning person, they are cleaning the road because of the snowfall. So if you see the Jammu Kashmir, the word you see in your question, when you see the Jammu Kashmir, you mark as a snowfall, because in India only Jammu Kashmir we are getting the snowfall. Other place also we are getting, but in your chapter what they are telling about the Jammu Kashmir. So remember the key point, Jammu Kashmir, snowfall. Only in Jammu Kashmir we are getting the snowfall. Other we are not getting. So the key point is Jammu Kashmir. Read third
Teacher,
question.
third question.
Hmm.
What is the difference between A and C? Figure A is related to conventional rainfall. An equatorial region receives such rain. Figure C is related to cyclonic rainfall and temperature region receives such rain.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
9th A, rule number 2. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, fifth.
Question number 3. Look at the figure above and answer
Fifth
the
one. Fifth one.
fifth one. What types of rainfall occurs in Singapore?
Hmm.
Cyclonic rainfall occurs in Singapore, teacher.
No, not cyclonic.
Rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall occurs in Singapore, teacher.
Conventional. Figure A. Conventional, not cyclonic. Cyclonic rainfall is not. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
very good. You can mute yourself.
Okay.
9th A, roll number 51. Unmute yourself. Raise your hand. Ninth A, roll number 51. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. First one.
In figure B, on which side of mountain is it raining more? In figure B, the downside is more rainfall.
Downside. Side. They are not telling up and down. They are telling side, right or left side.
Left side, left side of left
I
side of
feel
mountain.
it's a right side. If you see, right side is more.
Yes, teacher.
See, if we divide into two parts, this is the right side and this is the left side.
Left
Right side, we have more rainfall
for
occur rather than left
side,
area.
left
Understood?
area. Yes.
Okay. Nine C, rule number 26. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher. My voice is audible.
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Fourth one.
Stormy wind and floods are associated with which rainfall type? Storm winds and flood are associated with conventional rainfall.
No, it's a cyclonic rainfall. See, when the cyclonic rainfall is coming, the strong wind also are coming. With the wind, see why cyclone is moving in a round shape. See, yes, it's moving in round and round. How it moving round and round? Because of the wind and because of the pressure. Okay, because of the wind and because of the pressure, we cyclonic rainfall. We are seen in the ocean. In the Bay of Bengal, we are basically seen. It's seen in the Bay of Bengal that cyclone has come. We have to run. So how the water is passing because of the wind. Even wind also affect. If the strong wind is coming, so automatically the water will move. We are telling that the wind is coming. Please be safe. Go hide in your go and hide in your house because strong wind is coming. So why we are telling the strong wind? We are telling okay, wind is coming. Take out your clothes, everything. Keep in your room. Take out your clothes from the balcony. Take out. Why we are telling that wind? Because because of the wind, the pressure is so high that everything get destroyed, everything it take away. Understood? Yes. So Did everyone know that what is odd man out? What is odd man out? Okay. 9C, roll number 1, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes. Tell me what you mean by odd man out.
Ma'am, means if we have a sentence and if anything is out and
No,
that
no,
is
no,
mean
it's not
odd
a
man out.
sentence. No, 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 it's not a,
Uh,
it's not in a form of sentence.
okay.
Yes. Let me see how many students know that. You can mute yourself. 9C, roll
Ma'am,
number
can I
12.
give the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What do you mean by odd man out?
Teacher, when in question something is not similar, so that is known as odd man out.
Okay, not as similar. What similar things you are telling about?
Means teacher.
Hmm.
I mean something is different from given question.
The
Means,
question is not telling that find out. In question, the question is telling you have to find out the odd one. You have to find out the
Yes.
odd one. They are not telling the question. Okay. Let me explain. Odd man out means they have given you the four word. Odd man out. They have given you the 4 word like river, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Ashoka. Ashok. So Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna. These 3 are the river. Ashok is not a river. Ashok is a person, or we can say Ashok. In a flag, we have Ashok Chakra. So that is odd man out. They have given you the odd man. Find out the different word. Okay, find out the different word. Not even they did not mention you the question properly. Find out the different about the river. They have given you the find out the different word or odd man out. Now they have given you the 4 word. They can give you the 3 vegetable and 1 fruit. You will get confused that okay, whether this apple will come in vegetable or in fruits. So that is odd man out. 3 similar words, 3 are related to vegetable. 3 words are related to vegetable, but the 4th one is related to fruit or is related to the environment. That is odd man out. Ninth A, rule number 49. Unmute yourself. Ninth A, rule number 49. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First one. Fourth first.
Ma'am, I think the answer is acid rain.
Why acid rain? Why not orography? Why not cyclone?
Ma'am, because orographic rainfall, cyclonic rainfall, and convectional rainfall are all
Type of rainfall. These
yes,
are the type of rainfall, and acid rain is rain. Like we
yes,
have snowfall, we have heavy rain, light rain. So it's a another type of rain.
yes,
We have
ma'am.
named 3 type of rain.
Ma'am,
Acid
can I
rain
mute
is
myself?
odd man out. Yes, you can mute yourself. Ninth B, row number 1, unmute yourself.
Teacher, second one, right?
Yes.
Snowfall, rainfall, hailstones, and dew. The odd man out from this question is dew because all other 3 they are major types of precipitation.
Very good. You can mute yourself. Ninth B, roll number 20, unmute yourself. Okay, only 3 students are interested. 9C, roll number 13, unmute yourself.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Third one,
Yes.
thermometer, rain gauge, anemometer, and measuring jar. Miss, thermometer is the odd man.
Sure.
Miss, anemometer is it measures the speed of the wind, and rain gauge is it measures the rain, how much
Measuring jar is a odd man. Measuring jar.
Okay, miss.
Okay, very good. Yes. Yes, answer briefly, raise your hand. Yes, 9th A, roll number 3, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Answer in brief. First one. In what ways does precipitation occur on Earth? Precipitation occurs when water vapor in the atmosphere condenses into either liquid or solid form. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rains, sleet, snow, or hails.
Very good.
It is the primary connection in the water cycle that provide for the delivery of atmospheric water to the earth.
Oh, yes, very good. You can mute yourself. Yes. 9th A, roll number 2, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
4th one.
Hello, teacher.
4th answer. 5th question 5th. Sub 4th. It's condensation.
Teacher, can you tell again?
You have to answer 4th question.
If the condensation occurs, that one, no?
Yes.
If condensation occurs closer to the Earth's surface, what type of form become visible? If condensation and solidification of the water vapor in the atmosphere closer to the Earth's surface are visible, they are in the form of fog, dew, or frost. Fog. The temperature of the layer of the air near the surface of the Earth reduces, and as the temperature reduces, water vapor condense. Dew, when moisture lander air near the Earth's surface comes in the contact with very cold object, condensation of water vapor takes place. Frost. When the temperature of the air reaches less than 0 degrees Celsius, the water droplet stuck to the surface of the cold object and freeze.
Very good. Well done.
Okay, teacher.
9C, roll number 26, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Anyone you have to explain. Snow, hill, or dew, or frost.
Yes, teacher. Dews and frost. Dew in.
Ninth B, roll number 1, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher. I'll explain snow and hail.
Okay.
Snow. Precipitation in the form of solid particles of snow is also known as snowfall, and the fall of temperature in the atmosphere below the freezing point causes snowfall. Heavy accumulation of snow can collapse transformation and system of the area. Hail, precipitation in the form of frozen water droplets falling rapidly to the ground, is known as hail, and extreme heat on the Earth's surface initiates the process of hail formation. It destroys crops and causes loss of life and property.
Very good. Ninth B, roll number 3, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher. I will explain dew and frost. Dew is
Yes.
formed due to condensation near the surface of the earth. When air close to surface of the earth comes in contact with every cold object, small water droplets stick to cold object is called dew. So dew is formed due to condensation process. Now frost. If the temperature of the air near the surface falls below the freezing point, the frost is formed. When the temperature of air is less than 0 degrees Celsius, water vapor turns into frozen water droplets due to sublimation process and when a frost is formed. So the frost is formed due to sublimation process.
Okay, very good. You can mute yourself. Ninth A, roll number 68, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher,
Anyone?
I can tell snow and hail.
Go. Tell me.
Teacher,
Yes.
just snowflakes are ice crystals. Hailstones are ice balls. Snowflakes are formed when water vapor crystallizes. Hailstones are formed when water drops are pressed and cold against each other due to the strong winds. Snowflakes are usually formed in nimbus cloud. Hailstones are formed in cumulonimbus clouds. Hailstones have rings in it and can be seen when it is cut in half. Snowflakes come in different shapes but will always have 6 points. Hail occurs during thunderstorms or tornadoes. Hailstorms are formed by the strong winds pushing the water drops together in the sky. Snow falls when the temperature drops. Snow is formed in the clouds when the water vapor freezes. These drops freeze and from ice ball, a hailstorm usually starts forming when a frozen drop of water is formed on the ground.
Yes. Very good. So all of you understand how we have to do we have practice in the class. So many those students who given the answer, it's very appreciable that you tried your answer and you spoke up very well done. Just I'm telling all of you, more and more students, please try. More and more students, try. Yes. Complete your work. Bye bye, student. Take care yourself. Be safe. No. You did not try to reason for odd man out. You have to just tell the odd one. No need to write a reason. Bye everyone.